Okay, pa-jumble na lang ha.
Sir, pwede pa dyan. Ay, siya na yun. Pa-jump niya.
Okay, game. Sa Marisa. To pagkalinawan. To sa Marisa. 12 seconds to shoot. B. No good. GK 3. 3-0. Okay, 2 points. 3-2. No good. Samariska, 2 points. 3-4. Munti ka na. Pero lumuwa Lindon, 2 points. 5-4. Pagkalinawan. To Samarisa. To Trinidad. 8 seconds to shoot. Okay, good daw, good. Hindi tumawag. Ryan, wala. Rebound by Trinidad. No good. 2 points, Pagkalinawan. Score 5-6. GK, wala. Nakuha ni Bay. To Pagkalinawan. To Trinidad. Reverse shot is good. 5-8. Loose ball. Okay. Samarista to Trinidad. To Bay. Extra pass. Wala pa rin. Save ball. Time remaining 4 minutes 3 seconds. No good by Lindon. Nakakuha ni Bautista. Wala. Okay, foul mo na daw. Foul. Time remaining 3 minutes 40 seconds. Pagkalinawan, no good. Rebound by GK. GK, wala. Sayang. Last 3 minutes. LA to Lindon. Lindon, 2 points. 7-8. Nadali ng back shot. Pagkalinawan. To Bay. Libre. Extra pass. Pagkalinawan. Wala. Pagkalinawan. 2 points. 7-10. LA 2 points. Iba talaga pag mahaba. Okay, ingat lang po tayo. Bonifacio, wala. Rebound by Bay. To Samarista. Samarista, wala. Nakuha mo Samarista. Samarista to Bay. To Pagkalinawan. Easy 2. 9-12. One minute 48 seconds. Bautista, wala. Pagkalinawan ko Trinidad, libre. Trinidad, easy 2. Score 9-14. Bautista. Steal by Bay to Trinidad. Trinidad, wala. Ryan. To GK. GK, wala. Nakuha ni Ryan, pero may foul down. 1 minute 10 seconds remaining. Wala po tayong first ball. Wala. Sa kanya pa rin talaga. 9:16, last 58 seconds. Lindon, 2 points. Nakaka 6 points na si Lindon. 11-16. One minute, 38 seconds. 16 to shoot. Ang ganda naman ng loose ball. Last 27 seconds. Last 24 seconds. 15 seconds. GK 3. Last 12 seconds. Score 14-16. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. And not counted. Kapit pa eh. Okay, bola lang ano ha. Team Pagkalinawan. Score 16-14. Eto, sila Rudy. Nag-aabot sila dito yung dalawa. Naka-address eh. Butas yung ilalim nila. Nadadaklit. Walang box out. Okay, back to the ball game ha. Bola nyo, Rudy. Nasa na kaya yung tatlo? Okay, game ha. Naka-advance sila, kaya 14 seconds to shoot. Game. (18-14). Ang hirap pigilan nun pag nagsusushoot. Ryan, no good. Pero may foul. To Bautista. Lindon, wala. Samarista, 10 seconds to shoot. Bay 3. 21-14. Pito ang hinahabol ng team undrafted. GK wala, rebound by Bay. To Trinidad. Trinidad wala, nakuha. Pagkalinawan wala, nakuha ni Ryan. Okay, foul muna. Labas na po, huwag niyong ilakad. Huwag niyong ilakad yung bola. Labas po tayo, 14 seconds to shoot. Warning delay of the game, team undrafted. No good. Trinidad, no good. Rebound by Ryan. To LA. LA, wala. Rebound by GK. GK, malayo. Sayang. Time remaining 5 minutes, 10 seconds. Oh, bola. Trinidad. Trinidad to Romel. Ang ganda ng pasa, utol to utol, 2 points. 23-14. GK. Wala. Nakakuha ni Pagkalinawan. Pagkalinawan. Kickball. Next kayo, pre. Time remaining 4 minutes, 20 seconds.
Paano pa nila yan?
Hindi, nag-adjust ko na lang. 2 points pa, Kalinawan. Dalawang team yung lalaro ni Mama. Magkaiba. 2 points, LA. 25-16. Bada kasi nag-umpisa. 3 minutes, 50 seconds. Romel. Pull up. It's no good. Bautista. 3 minutes, 40 seconds. Wala. LA. LA, no good. Nakuha ni Pagkalinawan to Trinidad. Trinidad. Trinidad, wala. Three points by GK. 25-19. Oy, still. Nakalimutan lang. 25-21. 2 minutes, 50 seconds. Apat na lang ay nahabol ng team undrafted. Pagkalinawan to Bay, to Pagkalinawan, to Miguel, Pagkalinawan, to Pagkalinawan, 2 points. 27-21. Pagkalinawan, Pagkalinawan, utol to utol, 2 points. 29-21. Ang ganda ng transition. GK 3. Hindi papayag yun. 29-24. Last 2 minutes. Three points by Bay. 32-24. LA. Wala. Tumama sa paa niya. 1 minute 36 seconds. Trinidad. Nawala na ako ni Lindon to Bautista. Bautista, 2 points. Natawag na late. 32-26. Tawag po tayo agad kasi pag ganoon. Okay, foul. 1 minute 18 seconds. Mananalo po ba ang team undrafted? Trinidad. 12 seconds. Bain, wala. Rebound by Ryan. 1 minute 5 seconds. Ryan, 2 points. 32-28, 1 minute 1 second. Apat ang hinahabol, apat. Pagkalinawan. Oy, sayang, hindi numerecho si Bain. Last 51 seconds. 3 points, grabe. Nag-aapoy, GK. 32-31, 46 seconds. Pagkalinawan, 2 points. 34-31. Okay, line violation. Labas muna, labas. 36.9 seconds. No need to foul ng team undrafted. Honestly lang. Wala po tayong 5 seconds sa inbound, kaya huwag po kayo nagmamadali. Game ha, game. $34 seconds, 12 to shoot. Wala, rebound by Ryan. Last 28 seconds. Tatabla ba? Oy! 25.1 seconds. 25.1 seconds. Lahat ng foul may free throw na. Okay, foul. Both teams ha, may dalawang timeout. First free throw. First shot is good. Na-time out pa kayo? 35-31. Last shot. Wala. Rebound by Bautista. Last 20 seconds. GK. Wala. 18 seconds. 18 seconds. Seconds. Okay. Same ball. Last touch by Lindon. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. And counted. Pero kinulang ng isa. Sayang. 35-34. Diretso kayo. Romel. Pre. Kayo na, pre. Buti, nakalamang kayo ng isa. Kundi overtime. Pre, kunin ko na yung payment. Okay. Team Black versus Team Pagkalinawan. Rudy, kakampi nyo. Ayun na, yung nakapula tsaka naka-gray. Sila Rudy. Si Rudy yung 21, si Romel yung etong naka-gray, tsaka yung number 9, yung kalbo. 1, 2, 3 pa rin kayo. Ito lang dalawa na dagdag. Yung nakatilaw pa. Inyo pa rin. Okay, game ha? Ang ganda ng laban. Yung si Bay. Okay, game na tayo. Game ha? Para makatatlong game lahat. GK, wala pa rin umaki. Nandiyan daw nag-aata ng bomba. Pa-jumble na nga lang po. Wait lang, pa-jumble lang. Pasuyo nga lang. Third.